So what's the role of patents in startup pivots? They provide flexibilities in new directions. Patents can provide startups with the flexibility to pivot into new markets or applications of their technology. They are also important in retention of assets. Even if a startup pivots away from its original focus, patents remain valuable assets that can be licensed or sold. There's credibility maintenance. Patents help maintain the credibility with investors and partners during a pivot by demonstrating the startup's innovative capabilities. There's also competitive advantages provided by patents, which can offer new markets the competitive advantage of patent protection. So wherever the startups pivots into, they are protected. There's also funding support for patented technology. A strong patent portfolio can help secure funding needed to execute a successful pivot. So in short, patents are important even when a startup pivots away from its original objective.